So first go to store.unity.com and select the Unity version that better fits your needs. I'm going to select Personal Edition, which is also free. I'm going to accept the terms, and I will click Download the installer for Windows, but it should be the same for Mac. Once I've downloaded the installer, I will click Run. I will just follow the prompts. And here, you need to make sure that the Visual Studio 2017 checkbox is active. At the end of the Unity installation, the Visual Studio installer will kick off and will start with the download and install of Visual Studio Community. So the download has completed. I will just click Finish. If you already have Visual Studio and you want to install Unity from there, go to the Visual Studio installer. Go to the modified version of the Visual Studio Community. And make sure you have the Game Development with Unity checkbox active. Now that I have Unity and Visual Studio downloaded and installed, I'm going to launch Unity. Unity is going to ask me to sign in into my Unity account. If you have one, just type it here. If you don't, create one. Inside Unity, if you want to make sure that the Visual Studio was installed correctly, simply go to Edit, Preferences, External Tools, and under External Script Editor, Visual Studio should be.